Welcome back to my channel. This chapter is trigonometry for standard 10 and this is part 5. So we were doing certain problems, similar problems in the earlier parts. So continuing with that, we have to evaluate 3 tan square 26 minus 3 cosecant square 64. So we are going to use the complementary angles, that formula. So we will convert cosecant squared 64, either tan square 26, tan 26 or cosecant 64. One of them you can convert. So we'll convert cosecant squared 64 is equal to cosecant squared 90 minus 64 can be written as 90 minus 26. So cosecant 90 minus theta will be secant theta. So secant squared 26. Now the expression becomes 3 tan squared 26 minus 3 secant squared 26. So now we have 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. You know the identity. So tan square theta minus secant square theta will become minus 1. So this is equal to 3 into tan square 26 minus secant squared 26. So this is equal to 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Now this is also related to complementary angles. So here it is 50 plus theta, 40 minus theta. So 50 and 40, they become complementary angles. So we will convert sine 50 plus theta in terms of 40 minus theta. So can we write? We can write this as sine 90 minus, you have to get 40 minus, so it is 90 minus 40 minus theta. Now if you simplify and see 90 minus 40, 50, minus and minus plus. So 50 plus theta can be written as 90 minus of 40 minus theta. So now this is of the form sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 40 minus theta. Similarly, now here tan 1, tan 10, 20, 70, 80 and 89. So if you see 1 and 89 are complementary angles, 10 and 80 are complementary, and similarly 20 and 70 are complementary. So we will write down, so we will convert tan 89 is equal to tan 90 minus 1. So tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, so cot 1. Similarly, tan 80 can be written as tan 90 minus 10 equal to cot 10. And tan 70 equal to tan 90 minus 20. You have to identify which are the complementary angles. That is, you have to see which are the angles which make 90 degrees. Some of the two angles are 90. And then accordingly you have to convert this. So it's better to write down separately like this and then substitute in the expression. Then you will not make any mistakes. Otherwise it will become you have to keep on repeating the same and you will end up in making mistakes. Now you can substitute, the expression becomes sine 50 plus theta is cos 40 minus theta minus cos 40 minus theta plus tan 1 tan 10 into tan 20. This can be written as cot 1 degree can be written as 1 by tan 1. This can be written as 1 by tan 10 and this can be written as 1 by tan 20. So into now tan 70 is 1 by tan 20 into tan 80 is 1 by tan 10 and 1 by tan 1 and it will get cancelled and it is 1. This is also related similar problem. So here we will convert tan here 58 and 32. If you see they are complementary angles, so we'll convert tan 32 as tan 90 minus 58 cot 58. Now we will convert tan 77 is equal to tan 90 minus 13. So it is cot 13. So cot 13 can be written as 1 by tan 13. And tan 37 can be written as tan 90 minus 53. Cot 53. So this is 1 by tan 53. Now we will substitute it. Substituting, we will get 2 by 3 cosecant squared 58 minus 2 by 3 cot 58 into tan 32 is again cot 58 minus 2 by 3 minus, I'll write it in the next line, 5 by 3 into tan 13 into tan 37 into tan 45 is 1 into 1 tan 53 tan 37 we have converted as tan 53. Okay. So tan 13 into tan 37 is 1 by tan 53 into 1 tan 53 and tan 77 we have converted as tan 13. So you can cancel these. So you will get this as 2 by 3 cosecant squared 58 minus cot squared 58 minus this 5 by 3. Now 1 plus cot squared theta is cosecant squared theta. That is identity. So cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is 1. So this expression will become 1. So 2 by 3 into 1 minus 5 by 3. So it is 2 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. You have to be very careful in selecting this angles and then converting. This is also similar to the previous problem. So we'll convert cos squared 45 minus theta as cos squared 90 minus of 45 plus theta. So you can check whether you have written it correctly. 90 minus 45 will become 45 minus theta. So this is cos squared, sin squared. Cos 90 minus theta will become sin. So sin squared 45 plus theta. And now we'll convert tan 60 plus theta is equal to tan 90 minus of 30 minus theta. Cot 30 minus theta. Similarly, cosecant 75 plus theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus of 15 minus theta. So it is secant 15 minus theta. So substituting, plus sin squared okay, we have converted the other one. So it is cos squared 45 plus theta plus cos squared 45 minus theta we have converted into sin squared 45 plus theta by the denominator tan 60 plus theta can be written as cot 30 minus theta into tan 30 minus theta plus, now cosecant 75 plus theta can be written as secant 15 minus theta minus secant 15 minus theta. So this will become cos squared theta plus sin squared theta will become 1. 1. Then the denominator also cot theta into tan theta is 1. So 1 plus 0. These two will get cancelled. So it is, answer is 1. Yeah. So here the angles are given. So here also we will convert secant 79 is equal to secant 90 minus 11. So it becomes cosecant 11. Now sin 23 equal to sin 90 minus 67. So cos 67. Tan 48 is equal to tan 90 minus 42 equal to cot 42. Now substituting, 26. Sine 23 is cos 67 plus secant 79 is cosec 11 plus 3 tan 48 is cot 42. By the denominator, if you see, it is the same. You can rearrange it. Cosecant 11 plus 3 cot 42. So you can cancel the numerator and denominator. So it is 1. Hope it is clear. So I'll see you with more problems in my next video. Have a nice day and keep practicing. Bye for now.